So, hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be doing a review on some slimes, some store-bought slimes. Yes? So there's three, and I've named them all. This is Strawberry Babies, Galaxy, and Galaxy Crystals. It looks like it's grey, but it's not. Don't worry. I've only got natural lighting, unless you want this one. Yeah, it's fine. Give some more. It doesn't look grey. So the first one I'm going to start with is, I usually start with Peachy Babies, Strawberry Babies. So I'm going to start with Galaxy Crystals. So Galaxy Crystals was $3.99. It's just not focusing on them. One of them water slimes, if you know what I mean, guys. Yeah, see. So, trying to focus you guys on the slime. There you go. So it's a really nice colour. I love it. What could be better about this? It could be more clicky, much more pokey, because I can see when I poke it. So, it just does little holes like that. So and it could be much more stretchy because it's pretty stretchy, but yeah. So it could be much more stretchy. I like to set mine, so yeah. So now I'm just going to put it back in. It's pretty hard to put these ones back in the hole, so sometimes I can break them up like this. Come on, slime, get back in there. So I'll be back once it's in there with the next line. So I'm not on the next line, but I got it in. Next line is my least favourite out of all of these, definitely. Just I don't know. Doesn't seem to there you go. It doesn't, like, when I play with it sometimes it like, I don't know what it does, it like comes off and stuff. So this is it in the pot. It's a nice gold colour, which I like. So yeah, that's it when it comes out the pot. And I think I mixed up the pots. The Strawberry Babies came in the Goop slime pot, and these two have been switched. So this one actually goes in this pot, and this one goes in. And Peachy Babies is my best one, so best for last. The worst thing about this was the colour when we actually started mixing. So I had a piece of their slime on my hands. That slime on my hands. So yeah, the worst thing was its colour, because it came in green and orange, and then it mixed, and then it made this disgusting orange colour. It looked like somebody's guts, and then it made this nice gold colour. But still not very nice. So that was that slime. I'll be back in a minute. Actually, I'll show you guys. It's not a flop one, but sometimes every now and then it does flop. You can see what I mean where it goes all clumpy, so I'll show you guys. Because slimes are made for their popping and clicking and stuff. When you go like this, this is what this one does. It just like, that's what it does. It just clumps. So that's why I don't like it that much. So I'll shake it up. Show you guys, and I'll make some flops. So let's watch. I should have, but yeah. So now it's not coming back in, I think. So now we're on our Strawberry Babies, which I like to shake up, and then come on. phone is like dying, it's 5%, so this is this one. There's not really much I would change. I would like this colour on this slime for some reason. I love it. It's Frankie's. It's Frankie's. Sorry about that, guys. So, yeah, that was my lovely slime. I love this one, so yeah.